hold, right, of say a particular idea which you just stumbled upon and probably liked by mistake, and then probably just going into, and you get start going deeper and deeper. Probably it could be for the better or for the worse, right? So how is it playing out, and what if you could share one or two findings before we delve into the practical stuff?
Sure. I agree exactly what you're saying. The purpose of these recommender systems in our current digital environment is to farm engagement from people. So they want to take as much as people's time, energy, attention, and most important of all, data. That's common knowledge nowadays, you know.
Yeah.
Many people knows it, and there's also a lot of debate about it on social media. Many people are outraged about it, understandably, like I am. From You will also meet people in the other camp who are downplaying the impacts. You know, obviously, social media, streaming services, dating apps, they have done many good things for the world as well. Many people have met their partner through a dating app.